Hey everybody, my name is Albert from PPC Ad Editor, and in this video I'm going to show you how to present responsive search ads for your clients. So first you want to navigate to a Google search preview. So we have one right up here. I'm going to just click on preview. Okay, so this is the preview that has the responsive search ad. So you'll see here on the left hand side we have all of your headlines 1, 2, 3 in this example. Excuse me, you can actually add up to 15 headlines here, and of course 4 descriptions. And on the right hand side you'll see the preview of the responsive search ad. You can toggle between mobile view or desktop. And then what's really cool is you can click on this randomize variations button here, and it will cycle through your headlines and descriptions, so you can see in real time if each of your headlines make sense once they're next to each other. Same thing with the descriptions. If you need to edit the ad, go ahead and just click on the object, and then this pop-up modal will come up. You'll see here you can update the final URL, display URL, the paths. You can change the logo. You can add more headlines here or edit existing headlines using our character counter. Same thing with descriptions. You can add up to 4, and then you can include a business name, and then you can also pin descriptions as well. So let's just do pin to the first position. There you go. And then you can click update. Oops, I hit it twice. Sorry. And there it is. So it's pin headline 1. Then you can randomize the responsive search ad, and you'll see that headline 1 sticks. You'll notice here that we also have some site link extensions in here as well. If you don't want to show that and have your client just focus on the ad copy itself, you can open this filter menu, turn off all extensions, and there you have it. You'll notice that it'll just be the ad, and that way they can see exactly just description 1 and 2 without the ad extensions in place. Again, if you want it back, and there you have it, the extensions are back in. So yeah, pretty simple way, much cleaner than showing an Excel file, static file that the clients probably don't understand what they're looking at. This randomize buttons helps them visualize exactly what your ads may look like on Google. All right, if you enjoyed this video, just make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more tutorials.